For over 50 years, it's been the same thing. Product after product, year after year. Add best before date, add a 1D barcode, lot code, serial numbers, product descriptions, tracking numbers, add websites, recycling information, even instruction booklets, but only when needed, and more and more and more, until your product is overwhelmed along with the customer. Sometimes one change changes everything. QR codes powered by GS1, printed and verified by Domino.